This video is proudly brought to you by Web3bridge with Lex, our official sponsors for Cohort 11.
In this video, we'll be talking about diamond storage and app storage.
The Diamond Standard Smart Contract conforms to the EIP 2535, and under the Diamond Standard Smart Contract, there are two basically forms of storage. We have the diamond storage and the app storage. These are ways of storing modular state and patterns, and these patterns are known as diamond patterns. And of course, the storage actually allows for storing state and functionality of your diamond without breaking the compatibility of your smart contract.
Diamond storage is particularly used for modular and upgradable smart contracts, and then it does this by centralizing state variables into a storage slot, and also shares this slot with multiple other contracts, and these contracts are called facets. And then this process actually enables for upgradability of the smart contract, like adding to the smart contract, removing from the smart contract, or even replacing the smart contract. This is like a summary of what Diamond Standard or Diamond Storage is all about. So,
App storage is used to manage the data that is so as to be shared across different facets. So, having established that the diamond storage itself is a form of modularity, a form of design pattern that is used to organize and create a sort of patterns through which data are being used and different contracts are being used. App storage is basically used to share data across these different facets. So in the sense that we don't want different facets to have their own data in specific. Instead, every of the facets that belong to that upgradable smart contract talks to a specific storage, and which is the app storage. So the app storage is basically the storage section where all facets talk to the specific data across the whole smart contract in general.